A beautiful smile is thought to be one of the most stunning features an individual can have. Unfortunately, there are multiple things that can harm the teeth, like smoking, too much coffee or tea, and irregular dental care. These seemingly innocent daily routines can actually lead to problems like dental plaque. Home remedies aren't substitutes for adequate dental treatment. But there are some methods that can significantly eliminate plaque. Watch this video on parshealthttv to find out. Number 14. Brush carefully and regularly. You should brush your teeth regularly and properly to get rid of plaque. It's a perfect way to take care of your overall oral hygiene and avoid tartar buildup. It's perfect for brushing your teeth after every meal. It has been recommended to wait half an hour after consuming first. You should brush for 2 minutes. While you brush, ensure that you use an even amount of pressure on the toothbrush as brushing your tooth. Number 13. Use fluoride toothpaste. There's a great reason why commercial toothpaste recipes almost always include fluoride. This chemical substance strengthens the tooth enamel and reduces the risk of decay from acidic foods and drinks. Interestingly, it actually helps decayed teeth to heal and regenerate themselves. The only issue is that this process happens too slowly for brushing alone to avoid cavities. You also should eat a healthy diet and steer clear of sugary snacks. Number 12. Buy Tartar Control Toothpaste. If you're prone to developing tartar patches, there's a wide range of Tartar Control toothpaste out there. You can even utilize this if you're worried about plaque. Tartar Control toothpaste includes ingredients and substances that fight against crusty buildups in the mouth. In some cases, they also have triclosan. This is an antibiotic compound that can kill off a number of bacteria strains. Number 11. Clean with baking soda. Utilizing baking soda occasionally is a perfect way to eliminate plaque at home. It's a little abrasive. So, it pries and files nasty stuff from the surface of the teeth enamel. All you should do is take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and then add a pinch of salt to it. Then, dampen a toothbrush and dip it into the combination. Afterward, wash your teeth as you usually would and rinse after 2 minutes. Number 10. Mix aloe vera and glycerin. As you might know, aloe vera has multiple health benefits. But did you know that it can also make your teeth free from plaque? Take a cup of water, and blend it with 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then, add some drops of lemon essential oil and 3 teaspoons of glycerin. Now, scrub your teeth with the mixture and wake up to a shiny set of gnashers in the morning. Number 9. Rub your teeth with an orange peel. You might prefer something a little easier if you don't fancy rubbing vegetable glycerin on your teeth. You can rub orange peel straight on your teeth. This will enable to fight against tartar building microorganisms on the enamel. You can also mash the peel and use it on the stained areas. Leave to rest and then rinse. This can noticeably whiten the teeth. Number 8. Consume lots of fruit and veggies. Ingesting fruit and veggies isn't just excellent for your teeth. It's also crucial for your whole body. Besides, consuming fruits and veggies can also clear plaque naturally. Munch on apples, carrots, celery sticks, and peppers to get your teeth looking substantial and healthy in no time. Number 7. Munch on sesame seeds. Sesame seeds can be a deep dental scrub. It gently empties plaque and tartar without harming teeth. Just pop a handful of sesame seeds into your mouth. Chew them up, but do not eat them. Take a dry toothbrush and brush your teeth when the seeds are still in your mouth. They will work as a scrub and delicately clean the surface of stained teeth. Number 6. Enjoy plenty of figs. There are surprisingly multiple home remedies to eliminate plaque that involve fruit. Did you know figs are excellent at combating bacteria and other nasties on teeth? You just have to consume 3 or 4 figs all at the same time. Chew them up gradually and slowly. Give them as much exposure to the gums and teeth as you can. The chewing will kickstart the salivary glands. This is fantastic for removing plaque because saliva has natural antibacterial compounds. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Get an electric brush. Manual versus electric toothbrush? The dental discussion of the century. Finally, neither is better or worse, it's a personal preference you have to make. However, if you're prone to plaque and tartar buildup while utilizing manual toothbrushes, try changing to an electric brush. You may be surprised by how well it clears plaque and tartar. Number 4. Always remember to floss. No matter how well you brush your teeth, you must floss. Dental industry guidelines note that both are needed for a high-quality dental care habit. While brushing is fantastic for getting at the surface of tooth enamel, a lot of waste and dirt collect in the corners. You just cannot get this with a normal brush. Number 3. Rinse with an antiseptic cleanser. You can also prevent tartar and plaque buildup with a hydrogen peroxide-based mouthwash or cleaner. If you can't find this product in your regional drugstore, it is easy to knock a batch together yourself. Take 2 tablespoons of antiseptic mouthwash and add 3 tablespoons of 2 to 3% only hydrogen peroxide solution. You should be sure that the compound you utilize is properly concentrated, or you could harm your teeth. Number 2. Invest in a dental scraping device. A dental scraper, or pick, is basically the same type of device that your dentist utilizes to coax the tartar from your teeth during intensive cleaning. You can purchase these in drugstores and pharmacies. But be very cautious. You're rubbing inside your mouth with a sharp object. Avoid any damage, and don't scrape the enamel off your teeth. You may finish up causing more injury than good. Number 1. Make a super vitamin paste. Vitamin C rich fruits are fantastic for clearing plaque at home. Smash together oranges, strawberries, and tomatoes into a thick paste. Use it for tartar and plaque buildups. Leave to rest for 4 minutes, and then rinse completely. Vitamin C will help to eliminate bacteria and keep your mouth healthy. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.